This video is sponsored by Professional Photographers of America.
Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very adorable behind the scenes video. I did a photo shoot at the Russell Valley Ranch. My friends Emily and Jay recently moved their family to this beautiful farm with a bunch of cute animals. So of course I came over and took some pictures. Check them out on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave the links in the description. So the first look we did with the calf Tulip. She is so adorable, but she is very young and a little bit harder to handle, like the little sheep that we're gonna be shooting with next. So we wanted to do her pictures first, and we're shooting in this beautiful backlit spot with a lot of trees, so they're gonna create some really nice bokeh in the background. Tulip! I'm just trying to call her like a dog. Oh, that's so cute right there. Oh, look at me, Emily. Yeah. Get a little bit closer to her, like your face closer to hers. Yes, exactly. Yes. That's so cute. And look at me. Yes, look away that way. Yeah. Yes, perfect. For this next shot, we decided to go more into the sun, and we added a hat, one of my absolutely favorite accessories that always makes the picture look even better. Hi. Oh, that's so cute. These are so adorable. Yeah, Emily, you're doing amazing. Yeah, just keep interacting with her. Yeah, awesome. Just smile, yeah.
Chase my tail around a tree or two. Still I hope to see the rise of dawn when you are walking here beside me too. It's creeping up under my skin.
Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. You looking out like that? Yeah. I love that.
It's creeping up under my skin. The fear of never seeing you ever again.
Now, before we move on to the next location, let's hear from today's sponsor, Professional Photographers of America. I have been a member since last year, and here's why you should consider signing up as well. You will get up to $15,000 worth of insurance, which as of May 2021 now includes full replacement coverage of your photography gear with just a flat $350 deductible, or you can repair your equipment with a flat $50 deductible. Insurance can cost a lot, and PPA makes it super affordable. But you also get a ton of other resources for small businesses, like data loss prevention, help with contracts, copyright, business planning, free access to Imaging USA, and a new education platform curated to help you grow your photography business and learn with the best educators. All of this for a small monthly fee, and if you sign up through my link in the description, you'll get $25 off. Thank you again to PPA for sponsoring today's video. Next, we did some really cute family pictures, and you guys always ask me how do I take pictures of multiple people at the same time and use really low aperture. And here I think I used f2. There's a very simple trick. You just gotta make sure that all of their heads are in the same line of focus, meaning none of the heads are peeking forward or going backwards. They're all in the same line. It might be a little bit hard, especially with kids, but just make sure that you're taking lots of images and explain to your models exactly what they're doing. Tell them that their heads should be close to each other and no one's going backwards or forward.
It's creeping up under my skin. The fear of never seeing you ever again. It's creeping up under my skin. The fear of never seeing you ever again.
The sound was so beautiful and I wanted to do some more heavy backlit images, so we moved on to this spot and we decided to take some pictures with chickens.
The sun is still a little bit high, so with the ladder I won't be getting like the white sky too much. Oh yeah, much better. Wow, this looks insane. And this sheep. Wait, stay like that. I need to get the goat. Now I can't call them goats. Oh, Emily, this looks so cute. And the dog, oh my goodness. Oh, he wants to get the chicken.
Sit.
Yes, it's so cute.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold.
Okay, stay like that. I'm gonna get closer. Just for some close-ups of you and the chicken. Yes. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Wow. And look at me here. Yeah. Can you get just a little bit this way?
Dahlia.
Yeah. Yeah, so I get... Oh. Yeah, there we go. Yes, that's beautiful, Emily.
Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now.
Aw, yeah, look at you. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust you. Okay, now go just a little bit further here.
That one's never gonna lay an egg.
Yes, there you go. Aw.
Susie, come here.
Oh, it's so cute. And look at the chicken. Yes. Aw. That's so cute. And look at me here. Yes, so cute.
Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out.
Hey, be nice to the
Let's
goat.
get both your brothers in there.
Go
just-
see the chicken.
Just close. Yeah, just hug her. Hug Astrid.
Give her a hug.
Yes.
And look at the big black circle here.
Yes.
I see it.
Stop sticking your fingers. Give her a hug.
Johnny, yeah.
Johnny, hug her.
Hug Astrid.
Give Astrid a hug.
Yeah, and look
Yes,
at
and
right
look
here.
at me and I smile both. Oh God.
Look here.
There's that one.
See it.
Just 1 sec. Because this thing is
Yeah,
kind of
break
like.
this, you want. They're all just lilac. Wild lilac.
Okay, there we go. Just
Look
few
right
more.
here at this big round thing, guys.
Oh yeah, look here, right in the.
But look at
And
it.
smile. And smile.
Don't
Can
talk.
you smile, Johnny? Smile. Yes.
Just like fire, no denying. I know we won't.
Now it's time to take a picture with the sheep, and we went back to the very first location as it was so beautiful. I just love the way the trees create almost like an arch. They really frame the picture really nicely, and the sun is absolutely beautiful here.
Yeah. Look at me here. Yes.
You know, wait for me and I'll come home. It's not a simulation. I'm still dreaming.
Aw, look at you. Yeah, go a little bit like this, so I can see from the side. No, so keep this bucket on this side. Yeah, yes. There you go.
You guys don't know how to.
Aw. This looks like a postcard. It's so cute.
Okay, relax.
Wait for
Stay here, okay?
I would like to say that I could stay all night and that I'll do anything for you. I wonder why you let me be this close when I surely
Good.
Get away.
Don't eat my peonies. Oh, he wants the shard.
Never mind.
Yes. Oh, that's so adorable. Yeah, there you go.
we were fine when no one was here but us. So darling, you know, wait for me.
Our last location was by the creek, and we had maybe about 15 minutes before the sunset. The sun was super vibrant and orange. It was really beautiful, but this location was quite challenging because of the really tall grass, and the mosquitoes were getting really crazy at this moment. So I grabbed just a few pictures that I liked.
This love is an ocean wide that never runs dry.
Maybe. Is it possible to sit anywhere here?
Yep.
Probably.
Where's best?
Maybe over there. Do you see like just a little bit this spot? Yeah, like kind of. Yeah, like kind of there. Let's see. Yeah. And get them like maybe if one can go. Yeah.
Some mosquitoes out.
We're almost done. I think this is. I have not gotten bit at all, actually.
That's on the bait.
Yeah, that's awesome, Emily. Yeah. Oh. As I was saying, I'm getting bit as I'm literally saying that I. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh. Yeah. Look out the other way. Yeah. Yes.
Kept on it was worth the
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
The misty bright moonlight, I were told, when the storm is raging in your head, when you feel there's nothing